Hi friends, welcome to our BMT's channel. Today discuss about ethnic cleansing in Myanmar. Let's go guys. Ethnic cleansing is the systematic forced removal of ethnic or religious groups from a given territory by a more powerful ethnic group. It happens for religious and racial causes, clash and conflicts of the majority with the minority, of the strong with the weak, political and economic facts. In Myanmar, the Rohingya, the Muslim minority group, are being oppressed. We should stop all kinds of inhumanity all over the world by being united. Our final attitude towards inhumanity should be strict and strong. We should stop ethnic cleansing at any cost. The United Nations can play a significant role in stopping ethnic cleansing. The United Nations should discuss with all with the head of the states where ethnic cleansing goes on. Economic ban on that state should be imposed. International aid and assistance for that state should be stopped. If necessary, the United Nations should deploy its soldiers in that state to ensure peaceful coexistence and cohabitance. We should be peace-loving to stop ethnic cleansing. Otherwise, minority community like the Rohingya will be abolished. So guys, how's my information? Please subscribe all of the channel and also like, comment, and share.